Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In today's video, we will learn about assignment operators. These operators are used to assign values to our variables. So these are the list of all the assignment operators available in JavaScript. So first is equals to, then we've got plus equals to, minus equals to, multiply equals to, divide equals to, and modulus equals to. Without further delay, let's write some code. Let's create some variables first. So let's say num1 is equal to 15, num2 is equal to say 30. And let's try our first operator, which is equals to. So if you notice, we've already used this operator in this video and the previous videos. So if you check out this line number 3, so over here between our variable name and the value, we've got equals to sign. So this is the assignment operator. So what we're doing here is we're assigning the value 15 to our variable num1. It's as simple as that. So for example, even if I write num1 is equal to say 20, even now this is an example of assignment operator. So I'm just assigning a value to my variable num1. Let's just comment this. So moving on to our next operator. So all the remaining operators now are just shorthand operators. So I'll just explain that in a bit. So plus, minus. So let's try an example first. Say num1 plus minus 10. Let's bring up the console. Let's print it. And now as you can see, we get the result 25 in our console. Because what this statement is, it's equivalent to num1 is equal to num1 plus 10. So it's just a shorthand notation for this expression. Similarly, we can have another example, say num1 plus equals to num2. And now, as you can see, we've got 55. So earlier it was 25 plus 30, which is now 2. So we've got 55. Again, this is equivalent to num1 is equal to num1 plus num2. All right? So moving on to our next operator, which is minus equals to. So similarly over here as well. So if we do num1 minus equals to 10, and if we print it, we get 5. Again, this is just equivalent to num1 is equal to num1 minus 10. So again, even here as well, instead of value, we can have variables. So num2, again, this is equivalent to num1 is equal to num1 minus num2. All right, so moving on to our next operator, which is multiply equals to. Similarly, over here as well, if you multiply equals to say 20, and let's just print this, so you get 300, which is 15 multiplied by 20. Again, this is just equivalent to num1 is equal to num1 multiplied by 20. Similarly, for divide equals to, so num1 divide equals to say 10, and let's just print it. We get 1.5, which is equivalent to num1 is equal to num1 divided by 10. Similarly, for modulus equals to, so num1 is equal to, num1 modulus equals to 10, and if you print it, you just get 5, which is equivalent to num1 mod by 10, and assign that to num1 again. So num1 is equal to num1 mod by 10. And that's a wrap for today. I'll add the link for this code pen in the description below for your practice. I hope this gave you a better understanding of assignment operators. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. Bye and take care.